Everyone, to transfer USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Bitget Exchange account, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Bitget account on the website. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner and select Transfer from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can access the transfer button within any specific account section, such as spot or future. In the transfer interface, choose funding as the source account and spot as the destination account. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency to transfer. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to move. Ensure all details are correct and click the confirm to finalize the transfer. The transfer will be processed instantly and the funds will appear in your spot account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.